Step inside this inviting 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home. As you make your way through the home, you will see the beauty this home has to offer with the original hardwood floors and attractive woodwork. Entertain family and friends in this charming dining room for your favorite meal or special occasion. The cook and the family will love the counter space available for preparing meals. This is one of 2 bedrooms this home has to offer. Both feature lovely hardwood floors. There is 1 full bath with plenty of space. Extra living space to be had in this partially finished basement. Another great feature this property has to offer is this spacious 2-car garage. Fully fenced for your privacy, this backyard is perfect to enjoy with family and friends. Call today to schedule a tour of this fantastic home.